Hello and welcome to the first tutorial for my new plugin CollisionDeformer, and I'm going to just start this one out by showing you the basics of what it does and what it can do. In later tutorials I'll show some more features that are available in the plugin, but for right now just the basics. I'm going to start off with two simple objects: a plane object and a sphere, which are pretty much the standard for this type of thing. For examples, set this to a larger size and more subdivisions. Now the first thing you need to do is add the collision deformer to the document and place it underneath the object that you want to be deformed. In this case we want to deform the plane object, and go down here and we see that the first item is the collider object. So this is the object that we'll use to deform the object that has the collision deformer on it. So let me take the sphere and drag it into that link box. And now it's ready to go. You can actually take the sphere and start doing collisions with it. And to make it easier to see, I'll take the sphere and put it in X-ray mode. Now right now it's pretty basic. You get your normal just shape coming through. I go back to the collision deformer. You can also set the type of solver, and there are three types: intersection, inside, and outside. And how they work will become more apparent as the tutorials come about. But for now, we're going to take outside, leave just about everything else alone. We'll give it a curve later as well. We're going to take the sphere, we're also going to give it some more. Let's give it a nice amount. There we go. And now you should be able to get a nice deformation with the sphere. And you can move that across the surface as you like, and it will respond. If you'd like the deformed object to be a little more rubber-like, you can add hypernerves and put the whole hierarchy underneath. Then you'll have a slightly more realistic rubber deformation. And you see it has a nice form to it. Okay, and for right now that's it. This is the basics. So all you have to do is basically add objects, add a collision deformer, and you can start actually having these deformations for whatever purpose you want. In the next tutorial I will take it a little bit further and show you some of the options and how they interact with the deformations. Alright, thank you. I'll see you in the next tutorial.